Hello, friends. Let's draw an Easter chicken. A little baby chicken that's really, really cute and fluffy and small with great big eyes and a teeny tiny body and little stick legs. Let's draw that together. Of course, I've got a piece of paper here, and I use a blue pencil to kind of rough it all in and kind of just figure out the basic shapes. And of course, I have a black pencil to lock in all the details and kind of like nail down my favorite blue lines I draw. Let's get started. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I have some snacks. I just have some water in here, just, because I'm thirsty. With some ice, and it keeps it really, really cold. And I have my favorite snack of all time. I've got some nuts and some chocolate-covered almonds. Okay, now let's get started. And we'll first start with a flat U shape. Looks like this. Just a flat U shape. And then from there, we're gonna create a great big U shape like this, upside down U. So we have a lower U. Let's make that a little bit deeper of a drop. There we go. I'm gonna draw the center line. This is where in between his eyes will go, and this is where his beak will go. And so, about right here, let's draw a triangle. That's one side of his beak. And then on the other side right here, oops, let's do that. There we go. Be the other side of his beak. And then the bottom, right here where this line is, we'll draw a point from here up to this edge, and we'll draw the same thing from here to this edge, and it kind of just matches. And that's the beak. Let's draw the eyes. Right here and right here are going to be the points of his eyes. We'll draw a low arch like this, and a bigger one over here. Then from here, we're going to go through just a curve all the way up here, and then down to the other side, right to the edge of that first arch we made. That's one eye. And over here, we're going to do the same kind of thing. It's going to go up. Let's draw a little line here. Just make sure we do the top of the eye the same on both sides. That looks really, really nice. Let's have him draw looking this way. So, and the iris is gonna be really, really big. So we'll do that on both sides. It's like he's looking like this. And you see the little whites in the corner here. I'll draw some big highlights, kind of like what we did for our bunny. And I want to make sure it feels like there's a brow in there somewhere. There's an eyebrow in there somewhere. There we go. So we got the two eyes and the beak. And let's draw the body. Right here where the center line is, let's just continue that and make a U shape. Like this. About there we go. Not quite up to the bottom of his head. Right up to there. And then let's draw a line that's like this. And right in here, kind of in the middle of this whole thing, just slightly right in the middle, we're gonna draw the bottom of his wing. And that is gonna go straight up to his head like this. And I'm gonna soften that by just creating little feathers. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then on his tail, let's do the same kind of thing. Just 1, 2. There's his body. And let's give it a chest. So let's do this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Sweet! Right here on his eye, I'm gonna give it a cheek. So like this. Top of its head, let's give him some more feathers. Just little feathers. And down here in the bottom of his cheek, let's give it a little feather like this. Oh, that's looking awesome. Of course, he needs to stand on some legs, so let's give him some legs. Here's one. And we'll go 1, 2, 3. And over here, 1, 2, 3. So are you ready to lock it all in with a black pencil? I'm gonna actually use my nifty little pencil holder to put my black pencil in. And the reason I do this is because my mom taught me to use everything. She said, use it up, wear it out, make it do, or do without. So I'm using it all up. Use your whole shoulder. And draw loose and kind of quick. So you have this really, really nice line quality. And just choose whichever line, the light line, you like best. That's why we use kind of looser drawings. Darken in the whole eye here. And you can go as dark as you want, but I'm just gonna do it kind of soft. Like this. You see how these lines give it a sense that there's volume there, that there's an eyebrow there, and this eyebrow is coming up over the eye. And let's fill this in too. Get a really nice dark thick line here. There's so much weight on that. Same thing up here. Let's get a little thicker line. There we go. Oh, that's so much better. And let's draw the wings here. And right here where his neck meets his body, I'm just gonna shade that in just a little bit. Give it some shadow and get his legs in there. And using the side of my pencil, I'm gonna give it a little shadow like this. Is that the cutest little Easter chick or what? Hey, I wanna see your sketches. So go to Facebook and type in sketch-e and share me your pictures. And of course, subscribe!